Hello, welcome back to my channel once again. I've missed you all. Today let's learn how to prepare simple but very nutritious salad, and all that we'll be needing are our pear. This is pear oil. It was extracted from dry pear. I'll show you how to do that next time. And we have onion. We're going to use half of it. We have some tomatoes, salt to taste, and our mixing bowl. So let's get started. Now that our ingredients are chopped and sliced, you put everything into this mixing bowl, then you will make our salad. It's very simple. So with the help of your spatula or fork, you first put in your avocado or pear, followed by your chopped tomatoes, and your onions. So you add a pinch of salt just to make it a bit tasty. Then your avocado oil. You don't need much. Then you mix everything together. So this is how to make avocado salad. It's very simple and nutritious. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much for staying with me. Enjoy.